Safety is Buoy's #1 priority. That is the metric against which we're measuring our success every day.
We think about safety in regards to medical safety, clinical governance, and user safety.
Buoy is replacing the first stop in care for about 75% of Americans at this point, which is Dr. Google. And the metric that we're measuring ourselves against is, are we able to safely guide somebody in the direction of care and give them options so that they can determine the best path for them?
Our services empower users to, at the end of the day, better understand their own symptoms and make choices based on those symptoms to seek appropriate sites of care.
First, we have over 75 alarms natively built into the system. Second, we're ruling out any potential emergency situations. Third, our clinical team is looking through the data on a day-to-day basis and identifying the moments when our consumers escalated and making sure that we sent them to the right place.
Buoy is safe in life-threatening situations. Our team treats our decisions that we make about safety and recommendations for users like they're our family.
We're always thinking about legal and regulatory considerations during product development and even product scoping. So things like consumer protection, data rights and privacy, medical safety. Having that voice at the table allows us to make sure that our products are being developed to put the user at the core of that experience throughout. Buoy services are intended to self-educate and empower our users. You're making decisions based on your body and you knowing yourself the best. We take an active stance to make sure that our users understand that Buoy is not providing medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. In fact, we make that clear in our terms of use as well as other points in the user experience, and we don't purport to be a doctor on the other side of your computer. Rather, we're using technology and artificial intelligence to make sure that you are in the driver's seat. We're also actively thinking about privacy and security. And so what sets Buoy apart is that our services are entirely transparent in that we make sure that you know how we're using your data and what we're collecting it for. We're always putting our users first because that's a core value in which we want to help users in their healthcare journey.